I know you seen that blood right there coming out.
I mean, I put my blood, sweat, and tears into this.
Chris, no, bro, no!
All right, try the other one.
No!
It was, maybe that one was, it was on the side. I didn't
I'm
give it.
hungry, I want to taste.
I didn't give it enough attention. Try the other one, man. I think.
I'm here to teach you, Jess.
I'm just asking
You
you.
here to cook for me, bro? What's going on here, bro?
I guess so. I saw that one.
I cut myself.
Get it.
Yo.
Strange taste.
He didn't say it's not. That doesn't have to be a negative.
Really?
He cannot use no free food.
What does that mean?
As in, like, ordering Popeyes and put in, yeah.
Oh, I don't know what you're talking about, but I feel you.
Yeah, we cannot have that, alright?
Smelling the lemon pepper.
Why you gotta be the only person who want to do that?
Nah. I wasn't the only one, bro. Well, here we got the flour in this bowl. I thought we started.
Bro, oh my God.
You
trying hard
I
for
ain't
it, bro.
that far.
Alright,
You got oil in your pan!
You're further. I did that on accident.
How the hell you do that? Mike, start now, 20 minutes, go.
Mustard? Mm-hmm. Is that a trick?
I don't know.
I don't know what the f I'm doing. I'm just putting things
Oh,
together.
we know.
Nice dry rub right here. Look at this, man. Look at that. Why is it all chunky?
My favorite.
Not it.
No. How many packs you put in here?
A lot.
You put too many packs.
It was so tangy.
Because you put too many packs.
Ah.
You mean that caused to add more sugar?
I did add a lot of sugar.
No, you didn't add enough.
Oh.
It's still tangy? Yeah, it's still tangy.
So, you know, obviously, ribs take a long time to cook. There's some onions.
What is going on?
I'm gonna cut these onions and put them behind cash.
Trying to cut.
See if he cries.
We're gonna see who's gonna make the best Kool-Aid in 2 height. Have any one of you peasants ever made Kool-Aid before?
I have, sir. Like twice.
Who believes that?
Enough.
At least once in my life, I think.
Maybe
Maybe it might have been Crystal Light.
If you don't want to play that way, don't play that way.
Cooked in the last 6 years, so. And I have a secret ingredient chicken on there too that I think you'll like.
Alright.
Oh yeah, I cooked.
That's not even bad. Ooh, it's so nasty looking.
What the fuck is that, man?
I don't know. I don't know why it looks like that.
Okay. Get my water, please.
I think it looks great, yeah.
You do need more protein, bro.
I do? What you mean?
Of course, bro. I've seen
What you trying to
when you don't have protein, I get yelled at more. You need
I'm gonna try with the protein powder.
sugar from the lemon head to balance this out, because this thing is not sweet at all right now.
Wow!
Oh no.
Oh, not on the 2 height.
What's your issue, bro?
Sorry. I have an executive. I don't like the taste of my Kool-Aid. I don't think it's survival, so I gotta throw a curveball. I'm giving out the milk Kool-Aid.
Where are your napkins?
Jesse, don't do that.
No?
Don't do it. Got some real nice. Got the nice breading. I move fast.
Bro. Why
That's
you
chicken.
trying to finesse a mother? That's a Chris.
What do you?
That's Popeyes.
I mean,
Put
I
Popeyes
thank
on the
you.
plate, bro.
I'm
Put Popeyes.
thank
You wrote
you,
Popeyes, bro.
Put part
Thank-
of your lunch on there, man.
dude. Thank you. I mean, that's a very great compliment, man. Like it
I know
looks.
Popeyes when I see Popeyes. That's Popeyes.
I'm sorry. I'm just a natural, man. Like.
Don't hate.
Oh, okay.
Oh, he be rubbing that? Oh, he be shaking that.
Nice.
Beat that.
We got a lot of ingredients right behind y'all, okay? And I'm looking. No, don't do that!
Sorry, sir.
I'm looking for a tall glass of sweet Kool-Aid.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
You got 10 minutes. Delicious. I hear that crunch? I go into the chicken now. Bro, what the dude?
So here's the thing. Yo, zoom in on that.
Channel, right? Like we'll put a few.
No, we don't, bro. Like, this is serious. It's fried chicken, bro.
Okay, that's a prank. No, watch this.
I think he's the second best quarterback in football.
You got it. Move the crust.
Bro, that's not even cooked either, bro. It's just burned.
That has to be. Oh, it's probably not cooked. Can we just cut into this one to see if? Because you're getting new silverware regardless.
What the f, bro? You trying to get me sick, bro?
No, I don't know what I'm doing.
You trying to assassinate me, bro? This is not compliant.
Bro, this thing is stuck. Bro, this thing is stuck. It's time to flip, bro.
Supposed to smell the best so far.
It does.
It does.
Yay! Mine is gonna be the best tasting. There's no nutritional information on it.
Why is there damn seeds in the Kool-Aid?
Put some lemon in there, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Come on.
Is that?
Tonight straight.
You didn't eat this one.
Chris,
Should I heat it up, microwave?
how you got it here, bro? You did not cook that, bro.
I cooked that, Cash. You guys saw me. I was whipping it up with the lemon pepper and all. There's a slight hint of lemon pepper in there, man. This is crazy.
Look over here.
Yeah.
Penny Express.
Yeah.
How did I just assume that?
Because I like panda. Oh. I think it's too little.
Chris, was that the LeBron James ritual?
You're gonna love it.
I don't know why mine tastes like that.
I can open the sugar. Thank you.
For not last, bro. I swear to God, this man just said, please not last.
But the first, this is actually record breaking, honestly. I don't think not even Mopey is able to do this. Well, all zeros. Christopher London.
What?
All zeros. Your chicken was horrible. You tried to kill me.
It was
Your chicken was biting. Your chicken was biting. Your chicken was biting. I want to talk more.
A bite from it.
Your chicken literally was biting in your pocket.
Another disqualification.
Oh man. Oh man. You're trying to kill me. Oh man.
I need some ice.
Next. Dude, that's enough.
I need some more. Some more.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. I thought there was a lot before. It kind of just evaporated. Is it okay to add more, or would that cause a lot of popping?
I would suggest you put a little bit more oil,
Gotcha. Let me move.
but not on the chicken, all right?
Yeah, of course.
Sabotage me, bro.
Some. Oh, you smell the onion?
Bro! Bro, I'm out here smelling my hands. Who done this?
What's that? I physically.
Whoever done this, you tell the truth right now, I'll give you extra point.
I did it.
I'm about to deduct some points right now.
No, you said getting extra.
Onions, bro, representing, bro. I'm sitting here smelling like I thought it was meat.
Why are you making that face, Sam? I'm actually want to try this. That's one of the most disgusting tastes I've ever had in my life. I can't. I'm going back to my old Kool-Aid.
Now, we cannot use the oven, and the reason is because the oven gonna take probably like 2 hours. So, we got the choices of having the grill outside.
Microwave?
If you don't want to play that way, don't play that way.
Pork.
Microwave?
Microwave?
Microwave
gang. Come on, man.
I'm not gonna tell y'all what to do, how to cook. Wow, this is perfect. Yes, yes.
I told you that LeBron's sugar splash, like,
Wow. Delicious, Chris.
Thank you.
Very delicious.
You're serious?
I'm dead ass.
Oh. I think you're gonna like this one.
Why do people love putting lemon?
Bro. Bro.
Bottom nigga don't kill my nigga, boy.
You're killing
Taste buds, bro.
He's capping, dude. I tried
He put
it.
salt in there.
No salt.
Taste the Kool-Aid. He put salt in there.
Take a sip of mine and wash it out.
He put salt in
There's
there, bro.
no salt, just sugar.
Cash, go ahead and drink that grape wine. Wash it down.
Alright, well, the reason I made this one was in
worked.
case the first one didn't taste correct.
Oh, nigga, no, that ain't even.
This is
That was
grape.
worse, bro.
This is grape Kool-Aid.
Y'all tried it?
Y'all talk shit without even tasting it.
So, what's the bits?
With some chocolate. Because it's like milky. So I want to like. There was chocolate at the table. I was like, someone needs to use it. This one is better than the
I
other.
might puke.
I tried this one. This
I
one
might
slaps.
Why not let it fly?
I'm nervous.
It's the most cooked chicken so far. Other than crisp, pocket, delivered, Popeyes.
Is that enough? Or no?
Is it enough for me to eat? I'm not trying to get sick. I ain't not trying to get salmonella either.
Understood.
I think the best